Hello, I am Oscarletics and I'm back again to show you my final Harvard project for CS50W. My project is called Olink. It has two main sides, one side for students and one side for teachers. It is an educational platform that helps students and teachers communicate with each other. So I'm going to show you my project. So first, we have the home page of the site where we first log on to the site. So I'm going to log in as a teacher real quick. When we are on the teacher side, we have two main options, homework and email. So I'll give you a quick one through over those. So first we have homework, where you can see the year groups that this user teaches. So if I click year one, I can see the homeworks that the year group has. And then if I click on one of them, we can see some details on the homework, the title, the due date, who was sent by the description. And when it's due, there's a button here called Mark Homework. So if I click on it, it opens this nice little UI here, where we can see the students who submitted it. We can see the list of students who submitted it. We have an indicator here to see if they've submitted their homework or not. They have a tick and an X, so we can see if the teacher's marked them yet, and a view response button. So if I click view response, you can see what they've written in it. If there's nothing, it will say no homework. You can select a grade, you can type in a teacher comment, and you can click submit, and then you can grade all of the students, and then they can see their grades, and we'll be on to that later. So now next we have email. This basically allows teachers to communicate with students and students to communicate with teachers. So first we have a year group here. So click on year one, for example, and I can click on one of the students here. So I'll click student one. Open this sub nav bar here. We can see who we select, the users we selected, and we have three options. You can create a new email. We can type in a subject, a body, and we can click send to send this to this user. Then we have inbox, where you can see the emails that was sent from them to us, and we have sent to see the emails that the user, sent to them. And we can scroll down if the list is very long. And the last feature of our email is multi-send. This feature is only for the teacher site, and if we click create new email, we have this select menu where you can select multiple students to send an email to. So now let's go on to the student site. So on the student side, we're going by the same homepage, and we have the same options as before, homework and email, but also have an exclusive option, student chat, but I'll show you that later. But I'll first give you an overview of these options, because if you click on homework, we can see the year group that I'm the student part of, and then we can see the homeworks that have been set for me. I click on them, and we can see the grade if it's been graded. We can see the same details as before, the title, description, due date, and who is set by. And we have this write your answer below text area where we can write a response if we, when we want to write a response for the homework, we write in this box, there'll be a completed button, and then we can mark it. And then the teacher can mark it. So if we click on here, we can see there's some sample text in here, and here will be a completed button, but now because the homework's due, it says expired. So now we can go on to the email part of the site where we can see the teachers in the application. If you click on them, we can see which one we selected. We can see the exact same three options again, like create new email, subject, body, and send, inbox of what they sent to us, and what I sent as a student to them. And last but certainly not least, we have student chat. This is a part of the application where students can communicate with each other. So we have the list of students who are in my year group. So if I click on student 2, we can see these messages. So I'm a student 1 and I'm a dark green in messages, and I'm aligned on the right side of the application. And then the user I'm talking to, in this case student 2, is on the left side of the application. They're marked with a lighter shade of green. So we can see their messages and my messages. So if I say, hello there, and I click enter, you can see my messages here, and I'll say, this is a very cool thing, isn't it? And then we can do send this email, this message, and we can see it here. And also we can send something like very cool indeed, and we also press this plus button too. So yes, this is my program. Bye bye.